Hi guys, so since my last video, we made some revisions to the parts that we're getting. We will be getting about 5 things from Adafruit, and one of the things that we switched out since my last video is the Raspberry Pi. We initially decided to go with the Raspberry Pi Model 2 because that was what was recommended from Magzor, since their parts use the Raspberry Pi 2 and a lot of their wiki pages are based off Raspberry Pi 2. But we decided to go with the Raspberry Pi Model B Plus. Not only is it cheaper, but it also is less on the power consumption, and some of us are already more familiar with it because some of us on the team already have one or have experience with one. And as I mentioned earlier, it's cheaper because since we didn't get the exact funding that we got from the school, we had to cut back on stuff. Another thing we're going to be getting from Adafruit is an LCD screen with a keypad, an Ethernet cable. I was originally going to go with the Wi-Fi dongles because it'd be cheaper than buying an HDMI cable and getting a monitor and keyboard and mouse for all of us. So it'd be better to just use SSH or something. But I learned that it's better to use the Ethernet cable to connect to the computer, because if I were to use the Wi-Fi dongle, I'd need to set up an what's it called, an adapter and stuff, and a router. That's the word. Okay, what else? Ethernet cable. We are also going to be buying the USB cables and power supplies from them. It's a lot cheaper, actually, like a few bucks compared to getting it from Target or Best Buy or something, where they charge you $10. That was really cool. So we're also getting a lot of stuff from Amazon. We're getting an 8-volt voltage regulator. We're getting our micro USB card readers from Amazon. We're just getting one because we don't really need that many. SD cards. The solar panel we chose is going to be a 3-watt 9-volt solar panel, and we're getting 3 of them. So I'm not really sure how all that's going to play out because, like I said, I'm not the power person, but I'm interested and excited to learn how this is all going to work out. And our battery will be a lithium ion 7.4 volts, 26 milliamps? No. Yeah, I guess it's 2600 milliamps. That's what it says here. I'm gonna have to double check that. And we're also getting the pump and tubes for the water pumping system. And for next up, once we get our materials and our parts, we're going to be testing the voltages on the solar panel. We're going to be testing it in the sun, on a sunny day, and then in the shade, and maybe on a cloudy day. And we're also going to be testing the charging on the battery too. And that's it. I'm excited for all the stuff to come in. Our team captain graciously bought the parts from his own money, and so he'll be reimbursed as soon as everything clears up with our school. And I am so excited. I can't wait to start. Okay, bye!